So, doon kami nanggaling kanina sa tuktok. Yan. Wow. Yeah. See, they're do briefing. December. Hello guys. Hi. So this is the first time from how many years we just do this kind of hiking, nature tripping, because we always go shopping. So this is the time to explore the Singapore nature. Wow. Woo. And with those two sexy ladies behind me. Wow. Yeah. How do I look? Ready? Oi.
You don't disturb.
Later, jump on us.
Yeah, that's the thing. Nakatingin na siya. You just sit
Look,
here.
wait, we're going to jump here. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, he's eating or she's eating?
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye. I say bye already.
Okay, bye already.
Okay.
Where? Oh, there. Hello, monkey. There's the other one there. Ooh. And where's the other one? Oh, careful.
No.
Oh, oh, there's one there. Ang dami nila. There's a lot of monkey. Okay, let's go. Bye. Trail.
So obviously I can tell you.
Trail. Huh? Ah, yeah.
Her hair, her movement, everything. You can like pretty monkey.
Dug, 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 dug.
Not like Jacob would be monkey, like very gracefully, very energetic. Really?
Yeah.
There.
The TikTok. We can do TikTok here.
What?
You want?
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. See the place, guys. Oh, this is nice. Below? I think they tumbled down. Joke. Oh my god. This step is really exercise. I like this. Yeah, like later can eat a lot. Wow, you see, very stiff one. Oh, you cannot play phone. Tumble down already little. Yeah, yeah. It's, very fun. You okay there?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Woohoo! It's that what is it? Oh my god. Oh, then later up. Wow, one more climbing up there. This is very fun. We should take picture here. Oh. You want? No. No need that. Ah, baby. Hi. Wow, you're hiking also. Okay, better climb up there. OMG. Mila's stamina is really good. You see? Mila, come. See. Wow, it's really high.
It's not very narrow.
Oh my goodness. OMG. Ooh. It's really. It's better than jogging. Ay, I like this one, no? Oh my goodness. Hingal na ako. Oh. Oh my God. Still another one.
Oh, I got
Ending.
this one, yeah.
No more ending. Tired already, my friend.
Please follow up this.
Are you enjoying it, my friend? Yes, I am.
Hello, Casey.
Go up lang. Grabe. Oh, diretso. Right. Oh, my goodness. You see? Oh. Get up. I will come back here. I will come back here again. Mila, the first
Very
place.
strong.
Stronger than
The
us.
youngest.
Our youngest.
Yes.
Oh my God, really?
Maybe we shouldn't go.
Lola, this is exciting. What if you bring Faisal here?
Good.
Oh my God. You see? Oh my God. I think ang init eh. You should remove your cap kasi ang init talaga. Oh my God. It's really on top of the world. I cannot. Grabe. My leg is so painful. Kamusta ka naman? Andun na sa tuktok. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nandun pa sa pinakataas-taasan. This is the hiking that you want, huh? Oh.
那个唱歌那个说了那个接着。
Oh my God. Hindi ko na mahakbang yung paa ko. Where is the end? Mina. OMG.
啊，这你也了解的东西，
Oh my God, ang taas pa.
Shelly.
There. Let's wait here. Oh, you're enjoying, huh? Yes. Your first time, right?
Yeah.
Your first time?
Prepared.
Good. Dinala ko sila talaga dito.
Some 3 hours sleeping.
Oh, sweating. This is a nice memory for me. Wow. I get them tired. Okay, guys. It's still very high. This is the Wallace Trail near Hillview MRT. Whew. This is the another trail actually. You see how and I'm there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And Mila is on top already. Oh my God! Do you see that? Pawis-pawis na tayo, guys. Oh my God. Okay. Let's go and climb up. Oh. Hinihingal na ako talaga, grabe. Hindi na kasi sanay mag-jogging yan. Hindi na sanay mag-exercise kaya yan. Tingnan nyo, grabe. Ilang feet na kaya ang taas namin ito. There's some more there. Oh my God. Whew. Pag hindi ka maingat, baka ma-out of balance ka. OMG. Nasa taas na si Mila, grabe. Si Ann, sumasakit na yung tuhod. Men, bukas mag-MC ka na, ma'am. MC na siya, ma'am, bukas. The Thunders cannot make it already. Really amazing the view. Woo. Oh my God, still have more. Oh.
对。啊。
Where's Mila? There. OMG.
That's easy was like, so I thought it's safer to
Wow. Mila very strong eh. Finish line already. Huh? Oh my god. Whew.
And up here.
And
Yeah, up here.
oh my god. This is really amazing. Whew.
No, we still have to go that side. Still have.
MC already.
My problem is my legs. It's good. I also have my leg problem because if like no warm up, just like that. That's why you warm up. You walk slowly.
Yeah lah. That one's already warm up. No need to like that. Like that.
No, I mean if let's say a few days before this very long hike one, just my leg always go like this. If like that, tomorrow. So that's why you know I never. Then every day I jog. If like that, that's why I tell you very strong. Yeah, the stamina.
Stamina.
Then you see she's again. Like that, that's
So they're all haggard already. Haggardus resources. Right. This is what we look like when we are haggard. This is stressful life. This is distress. Distress. Her first time. Many times. But her first time, but the stamina is so good. Oh my god.
This is the youngest.
She's the youngest.
Yes, the color was gorgeous.
Gorgeous, sexy. Yes, sexy mama. Okay guys, see you on the next trail.
Go again.
Okay, let's go.
现在就是这样。
I'll finish already. Okay,
的那个
huh? What time already?
到有一天你
Time to go there. Time to eat. Let's go. Grabe. This is really exciting. Whew. I love this. I will come back here again. So, si Chick na ako. Mila is there. Nangunguna. So, finish me. Doon sila, Ann and Mila. Grabe, guys. Punta talaga kayo dito sa Wallace Trail. Grabe. Sobrang maa-amaze kayo. Parang ito ata yung pinaka sa napuntahan ko mga nature park na Singapore. Parang so far, ito yung pinaka malaki yung trail. Mataas yung aakyatin. Grabe. Very far. Let's go, guys. You know, vlogger. Joke. Vlogger. Look, it's in my nature reserve. I think we're going to the other side. The other side of the world. This is very fun. Are you going to do it again, Mila? Are you going to do it again? This? Oh. With this two Anne and Luisa. This is the Renga Summit. Ayo. Whew. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is amazing. And this is amazing. Bakit siya pabalik? Pabalik siya. Pabalik. Bakit siya mabalik? My God, another one. My leg is shaking already. Oh. Let's do this. For the last time. Ay. Oh. Oh. First Anne.
Mr. Patrick Lim, you're supposed to be relaxing. I'm surprised to see you.
It's really exciting. Exciting. Sabi.
Wonder.
Okay, let's stop because we are walking. Oh. So this is the which way? Huh? Oh, then we go here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Anne, where are you? The auntie cannot make it already. Whew. Finally. Yes. So now we're going to summit. We are excited what we can see in the summit. You know the summit is like going to, yeah, it's hiking. You know, like the Mount Everest summit, like that. Ah. Oh, reach already. Yeah.
Very fast.
Where is that summit? Oh, summit. What is summit about? Ah, Bukit Timah Summit. Where's that? Oh, I think we are on the top already. Yeah, we make it! We made it! Are you happy? Are you happy you made it?
Yeah, of course.
We made it.
Good job.
Good job. Good job, guys. Yeah. We made it. Tomorrow MC already. We sit first lah. We take picture there, oh, the summit. We take picture there. Let's go. Then later. There, oh, the summit. Bukit Timah Summit. So now, pababa na kami. We're going back to the trail. No entry. Why? No. Okay. We will edit our photo. This is what you want to tell? Oh my god.
After we are done here, Rachel,
Then
so where is our next location?
our next location is in the Kampong side.
No, I mean after
After this. Oh, we can go to the Bangkok.
Bangkok, okay?
Yeah, the Kampong one if you want. The Kampong. Let's go. Since we have the whole day.
But the private I don't have.
The what?
Don't have that?
I can borrow you one towel. I have one more.
I live one.
Okay, we're going to the
Can you give her the
Kampong.
towel now? She needs to
Oh, now what? Oh, I thought we're going there. Oh.
Okay, come, let's go.
Oh. No, we can take picture there. It's nice.
Where we from?
Different. Oh, yeah. This is very down sloping. That's why it says there's steep slope. Uh-huh.
Down?
It's good here when you have the luge. You know the...
Yeah.
Wow, so nice. Easy bus. Wow.
First thing like this, we have to go climb up.
Yeah.
Right? You see? This is also very good.
Yeah. This is also painful because you need
Yeah.
to make your feet very strong. Oh, this is good one. Going up. Guys, you should come here, guys. Yeah. What's that? You know, I want to explore and want to see all the bunkers. You know, bunkers. You know, those like World War II, III, where all the soldiers go inside. You know, the hiding place. Hey, it's raining already. So let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh, this is the visitor center here on my right. Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Yeah, so now we're going where? Oh, I think we need to put on the mask already. Okay, guys. Bye. See you next time, Bukit Timah! Bye! Grabe, doon kami galing, oh. Woo! Grabe, super saya, super exciting yung trail ng Wallis or Wallis Trail. Grabe, try nyo. Sobra. Ang pam.